everyone and good afternoon. We are from DPH Group 6 English BBI 01. Today we like to make a group discussion about Nature Week. Before we started, I like to introduce my teammates. My name is Anthony.
My name is Wazin.
My name is Martina Anak Seruji.
My name is Muhammad Nur Iqmal.
Okay.
Let's start.
Okay.
We start from the participant A.
Okay. For in my point, we should organize the tree planting activity. We must do a campaign in community in every area. Such organize event that can bring everyone to join it and make it more people come to join the event. And beside that, we also can make event such one person one tree, and we will make more opportunity and open it to a teenager to join the program, so it will help to awake them to love and planting tree, and beside that there will be safe the earth. For example, we must bring a teenager from like university, school, student, and many more. Okay, furthermore, we must select the seed that the plant we want to planting, such iron tree and many more. Okay, and apart from that, we must make a largest event or mega project that we want to have, such make the opening more opportunity to the all of from every state of country, such from the international, from outside country, and make the event the biggest event that we can make in replant in the national park, such Mitsubishi project like University Putra Malaysia make. And from that we can learn how do we replant the tree, and we from other step we can make the step so that we can save our earth. Okay, that is my point. That is my point. Okay.
And my point is organize a trip to the national park. Without wasting time, I will present you some trip to a national park. First, they are educational. A trip to a national park is a great opportunity to teach your child about nature, science, conservation, and history, all while having fun. Most park offer tower with professional guide who will teach you and your family all about the parks. Some event offer class on everything from geology and natural history to photography and fly fishing. Besides that, they are good for your health. Studies have shown that spending time outdoors has a vast range of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to enhancing creativity. In fact, according to one study, just saying tree can make us feel healthier, which means vacationing in a national park is a great way to ensure your return home feeling better than when you leave. Furthermore, you can escape from technology. If you stay at town, you will see the technology and you will not see the nature of national nature. Just like you all live at where? At town or village?
Village.
We are village.
From village.
Do you love technology more or nature?
Nature.
Nature.
I like
must keep
nature.
it
Yes.
balance so that we can know how to use the gadgets, and furthermore we can save our nature. Yes.
Okay, good. The national park offer a rare opportunity to go tax-free. A national park camping trip offer a unique opportunity to spend time with friends and family without the interruption of constantly buzzing smartphone. Lastly, each park has a unique history. It will increase our participant knowledge of the history of each national park in Malaysia. Just like Taman Negara Semenanjung. Taman Negara Semenanjung is a great history that we need to visit so we can learn about the Taman Negara Semenanjung in Bintulu. If you study at EPMKB, you can go to, I suggest you all go to Taman Negara Semenanjung. Thank you. So I give it to participant C.
Okay. I think guys, we should do some challenging thing and fun thing in a nature week, like a camping trip to a forest reserve. We can get more benefit if we organize a camping trip to a forest reserve, such as financial benefits. If you have a small travel budget, going camping can be a great way to have a fun holiday for a lot less. Camping is a very inexpensive alternative to the traditional holiday. The cost per night at a campsite is much cheaper than a night in a hotel. Also, you will likely be cooking your own food over the campfire for at least a few of the night of your camping holiday, which will be cheaper than dinner in a restaurant. Another benefit is we can get health benefits. Going on a camping holidays also has many physical benefits which will improve your health. Being outdoors in the sunshine will help to boost the levels of vitamin D in your body, which maintain the calcium in your blood and keeps your bones strong. Studies have also shown that vitamin D helps to ward off depression and decrease your risk of heart attacks, high blood pressure, and certain form of cancer. And the benefit, exposure to scientific concepts. Science is everywhere in nature. When camping, we learn about various plant life as to not get a rash or eat a poisonous berry. Campers also learn about what various plants and trees look like, what they need to survive, and what animals eat them. While camping, campers are also exposed to astronomy as they gaze at the stars at night. Going fishing while camping, then you will also learn about the world of ecology, the study of fish. Lastly, you can make a fire without using sign. You have to understand the sign being chemical reaction if you want a long-lasting fire. And the last benefit is we can get less stress. Camping also allows you to cope with stress. Stress can negatively affect your health in just about very way possible. And you are putting much less strain on your mental and physical faculties by giving yourself some stress-free time at the campsite. The lack of stress is related to the rise in oxygen levels, higher levels of serotonin, and managed levels of melatonin mentioned above. There's also an emotional component at work here, since it's harder to be annoyed or angry when you are doing something that you enjoy. That's it from me. Thank you.
For the last point is about organizing a recycling day. In my opinion, one important reason is that it creates us to be disciplined. Many ways. Many programs can be contracted via the recycling day. For example, one of the activities that can be done during this program is by limit the usage of plastic bags on that particular day. This helps the amount of litter to get lesser, although if it were to be done during that event. This makes the people in the public to find alternatives that are eco-friendly by this way. Another point that I would like to emphasize is that it teaches the public to be innovative. This is because it stimulates the mind to find solution by promoting critical thought that is vital to conserve cleanliness and conserving nature. For example, making use of reusable items by inverting them into useful products that benefit the environment. Such innovation are like converting plastic bottles into planting pots, toilet bucket, and lots more. Invention like this that have potential that to keep nature in safe hands. This event do not only touch the importance of taking care of the environment and molds us to be innovation, but guide us to save money from unnecessary spending due to the current high living costs, especially to those who live in us urbanized area. This for my suggestion is I believe that organizing an event like Recycling Day can bring many fruitful outcome. Hence, it will be sure worthy. Thank you. That's all.
I have a question. How can we reduce the use of plastic today?
Okay, for my suggestion, we have to make a choice to use plastic bag at a public holiday. That's all.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, that's all for us. DPH Group 6 PBI.